Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Pataho Melanie Arellano, 38 years old. I am married and blessed with one kid. I'm a college undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Office Management. My height is 149 centimeter. I have a tattoo on my left foot. I don't have any long-term medication or maintenance, and I don't have any disease. I have work experience here in the Philippines, 5 years and 11 months. My duties are taking care of children, taking care of healthy 84-year-old grandma, house cleaning, cooking, doing laundries, ironing, and marketing. I also have work experience in Middle East. My second employer is in Dubai, finished contract. My duties are taking care of children, house cleaning, cooking Arabic foods, doing laundries, and ironing. My first employer is in Syria. Finished contract. My duties are taking care of children, house cleaning, cooking, and doing laundries, and ironing. My preferred duties are taking care of newborn baby, taking care of children, taking care of healthy elderly, cooking, gardening, and taking care of pets like small dogs and cats. And I am willing to share my work with Filipino and Indonesian maid. I have a song for you, baby. I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Mom and sir, I hope you will hire me because I will be obedient, trustworthy, and a fast learner. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. And I also promise to follow all your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.